get in trouble.
Catch your bit.
Cool old bar, but that one is a little more.
Very good afternoon, guys. That was worse than today. We'll try that again. That's true. Good afternoon, everybody.
Oh,
That's much better. That's on board. They are all the way around the inside edge of the boat. The great zoo here is alive and well. Alright, today we're going to be cruising at an altitude of 5,200 feet. Water temperature today, a brisk 69 degrees. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Coming up on the right hand side there we have the Edgewater Shores condominium, built from the late 70s to early 80s, at which time you could get a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,100 square foot condo on the lake with a boat dock for $42,000. 20 years old now. Roof, quite true. That house belongs to Doris. No well, she built that house on her own. At the age of 72, and they said it would not withstand a major quake. So they told me. Now, of course, we did have to repair the dam as well. That cost us $8.2 million. But it's still a pretty good deal for loosely. That relieved the back pressure on our dam and broke down $5.3 million for that. See how the back of it's all glass? Marilyn Monroe is spending a lot of her summers up there in Arrowhead. And that is where she stayed the water stuff. I don't know any more about that than I'm asking for it. So okay, from Walter's house all the way down to the point here where the flag is, that whole peninsula, there is one property. That's one of my favourites on the lake. It's owned by Glenn Keane. And Glenn Keane is the chief character creator and head animist for the Disney Corporation. Alright, I'm going to draw your attention to the bow of the boat, starboard bow. The strange house on the point has a very peculiar bed. See, it's all glass on a bed of rock. That is actually their master shower and jacuzzi room. Now, you got to have a lot of confidence to build something like that with no blinds, no curtains. Every single pane of glass in this property is bulletproof. And that's because the Cribs family had a lot of very senior government officials. Another figure skater, she was actually owned the ice castles where Michelle passed it since then, it was the first one. Have a look at the left hand side now, probably about the only time I'm going to do this. We'll talk about the tower briefly. 200 feet high from top to bottom. How are they? We're sort of happy about that. Oh, and the tunnel I mentioned? These houses coming up on the right hand side are all pretty neat. See how they've got these great tracks coming down from them to the boat dock? This is ridiculous. This is like grass cuts we have in this elevator. So these guys over here, they don't have to walk 168 steps from their back door to the boat dock. It's been a $2 million boat. Natural rock and brush glaciers that make it in our area, which you can see on the side of the mountain. It's been there hundreds of years. If it comes to vacation, you look across to the right hand side. They're literally out there. It makes sense if you think about it, because a lot of, so the number of boats that get tied up here in the weekend, just anchored up, tied to one another, they have a few Pepsis, some fishing going on, swimming, everything you like. The record is 207 White House on the right hand side, with a double drive-in boat garage. That's unique on the lake. It was built by Thomas Hamilton. He was the guy responsible for replacing the variable pitch propeller. This entire peninsula right way down to the point. These contributions are water going around. And I had a couple of girlfriends who are really keen fishing, and what do you think? So right through the summer we have sailboat races for the gatters up here. That's the official finish line there. We can see that great jetty sticking out of the wall. Those chimneys, and towing roads, and Romeo and Juliet balcony. It sort of looks a bit like a magic castle, isn't it? It's a shallow part of the lake. And a dock in there is only going to run you about $70,000 to maybe $90,000. So this looks really nice. Coming up on the right hand side, now we have a couple of browny yellow things. Kids, those are water trampolines. A lot of fun in the summer, they're all around the lake in the summer. And if you look between them, the reddish house back there, that's the late comedian John Candy's home. Look, there's a pterodactyl in front of us, look at that. You'll see a house with sort of an arched window light. Yeah, that is Brooke Shields' home. Sorry, no, Blue Lagoon back here. We have this big grey and white house in front of us at 14,400 square feet. It is a house, not a hotel. The entire lower floor of that, one with the round windows there, is a 23-car garage. Largest house directly on the lake. Their master suite is 2,000 square feet. These in my house would fit in their bedroom about 1.5 times. So Dick Clark, very keen fisherman, and his buddy Ed McMahon, same thing. They used to fish together. Gonna work it out, right? The record for people fishing off that 8-person dock was 33 times on the lake. Nice and shallow at the end there, big sandbar on the corner. It's really interesting thing is that the surrounding Indians, they used to use see the park? Notice you have to fish off their dock. And you're a resident of the hotel. They'll not only clean that fish for you, they'll cook it one of 3 different ways, like at their restaurant doing 189. So that's good. What we do, the walking life, we put a big barge out here in the middle of the lake, about 35 minutes island. Summer concert series over at the center stage for a bit of great color man. There's always something going on. Of course now, Oktoberfest, close our season. So we'll just go straight at the dock and see what happens. It usually frightens there, right?